All right, Cody here for my Module 10 demonstration. So this week, worked on the admin dashboard. So I'm going to go through my user manager page first. The user manager has a section at the top where you can search for a specific user by first name, last name, search. So for example, if I put in John, I'm going to show all the Johns or Johnnies. If I put Joe, I'll get the specific user. If I hit clear, it's going to clear the fields and it's going to reload the page with the users. So I have a user here, delete button, toast, or a model. Yeah, toast popping up asking if I want to delete it or not. I can cancel or I can delete. And all right, change the background on that. So then I can also edit. So if I come up here, for example, Johnny. I have a few other sections here, the email, password, with you have to put the new password in twice. I can also change the user to admin or basic, depending. I have a button here to go back to the previous page, or we can save with a user updated successfully. And then as you can see, it says Johnny. All right, so if I go to the content manager, I have a section here where we can search for blogs specifically from date or until date, and that whole section in there. So if I want to do all the posts on the 8th, search, I'm going to put that up. So 8th to the 9th, it's going to give me all of the posts that were in that specific time. And if I hit select all, then it's going to go ahead and give me all the posts once again. I have results per page drop down here. I also have the paginate. I'm not quite exactly paginated how to pronounce that, but do that and then it'll flip through. Also have an option to delete a post if I'd like to. Boom, post deleted successfully. Also on the user manager, I forgot to show that I have the same thing here. I can do the amount per page here. And then I'm gonna just show on the bonus here what I can do as well. So I am logged in under an admin, that's what you can see here. So if I copy this user ID, and then I'll go back here and hit home, to another user ID, I can actually go to another user's. But if I go in under someone who's not an admin, and I attempt to navigate to another page, another user, get an unauthorized, and it'll send it back to theirs. And then also, the last thing I'll show is if I type in someone like not a user in the system at all, I'm going to get a user not found. And I don't know if you noticed, but I also added the skeleton loaders for anywhere on the page that has these loading. As you can see there, there, and there. All right. So that is the front end. And this week I've added several new files here. So the content manager, which got, the different things here. So function attach all posts. Do that, we needed the post, user ID, the comments section. All this here. I have my toast notification, which is imported from the toast component. user manager. And yeah, I also fixed quite a few things in my project from last week as well. So yeah, lots of new stuff here. And yeah, that's what I've got for this week. Thank you.